Hey guys, welcome to another new video. In our previous video, we talk about health insurance. Actually, what type of insurance is important. We talk about that. So, I'm your host Shogsign. Without any further interruption, let's start our today's video. Okay, top-rated companies to compare. I'm not interested to. Okay, before you apply for life insurance, you should analyze your financial situation and determine how much money would be required to maintain your beneficiary standard of living or meet the need for which you are purchasing a policy. For example, if you are a primary caretaker and have children who are 2 and 4 years old, you would want enough insurance to cover your custodial responsibilities until your children are grown up and able to support themselves. You might research the cost to hire a nanny and a housekeeper, or to use commercial childcare and a cleaning service. Then then perhaps add some money for education, include any outstanding mortgage and retirement need for the spouse in your life insurance calculation. Especially if the spouse earns significantly less or isn't stay at home, parents add up what this cost would be over the next 16 or so years, and more for inflation, and that's the death benefits you might want to buy if you can afford it. It's pretty cool. Okay, how much life insurance to buy? Many factors can affect the cost of life insurance premium. Certain things may be beyond your control, but other criteria can be managed to potentially bring down the cost before applying. After being approved for an insurance policy, if your health is improved and you have made positive lifestyle changes, you can request to be considered for change in risk class. Even if it is found that you are in proper health, then at the initial underwriting your premium will not got up. If you're found to be in better health, then you can expect your premium to decrease. Determine how much you need. Think about what expense would need to be covered in the event of your death. Things like mortgage, college tuition, and other debt, not to mention funeral expenses, plus income replacement in a major factor if your spouse or loved one need cash flow and are not able to provide it on their own. There are helpful tools online to calculate the lump sum that can satisfy and potential expenses that would need to be covered. What affect life insurance premium and cost? Oh, okay. Actually, what effect we will talk about it, no problem. But before this, I think I have to do. Okay, I have to check it. The video chat is ended. It's 224. Okay. Life insurance buying guide. Life insurance application generally require personal and family medical story along with beneficiary information. You will also likely need to submit to a medical exam and will need to disclose any pre-existing medical condition. History of moving violation or this, as well as any dangerous hobbies such as auto racing or skydiving. A standard form of identification will also be needed before policy can be written, such as your social security card, driver license, and USA passport. Steps 3. Compare policy quotes. When you have assembled all of your necessary information, you can gather multiple life insurance quotes for different providers. Based on your research, uh, price can be differ markedly from company to company. So it's important to go to the effort to find the best combination of policy, company rating, and premium cost, because life insurance is something you will likely pay on monthly basis of decades. It can save an enormous amount of money to find the best policy fit you needs. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming in a second. Okay. Okay, everyone, sorry for the misconvenience. Actually, it's an emergency, that's why I stand up from the chair. Okay, so let's start it again. Sorry. So step 3, compare policy quotes. When you have assembled all of your necessary information, you can gather multiple life insurance quotes from different providers based on your research. Price can differ markedly from company to company, so it's important to go to the effort to find the best combination of policy, company rating, and premium cost, because life insurance is something you will likely pay on a monthly basis or decades. What is the meaning of this? For decades. What is the meaning of decades? Noun, a period of 10 years or decades. Okay, the 3 decades from 7 period of 10 years. Okay, it's an it's an time basis. Okay, it can save an enormous amount of money to find the best policy to fit your needs. Benefits of life insurance. There are many benefits having life insurance. Below are some of the most important feature and protection offered by life insurance policy. Most people use life insurance to provide money to beneficiaries who would suffer in financial hardship. So that's all about our today's video. If you like our today's video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Thank you very much.